Welcome everybody to another Fast and Fun. This week it's Rich with Aaron and especially his M140. So Aaron's car's featured a few times on the channel. He's done a few mods, BM1, Stage 1 map. He's done suspension, a whole range of mods. But this week he's got a couple more things to add to the car. Aaron, what we're doing this week?
So this week we're going to turn it up a bit. We've got a Sports Cat 200 Sal, which is wrapped in this heat shrink. Looks beautiful.
That genuinely, that is...
Looks good, doesn't it?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
And what this is second hand.
Second hand, supposedly done 500 mile, which...
It looks in good condition.
It looks like it's done 500 mile to me. There's no warping inside. The guy said he didn't run burbles or no pops and bangs, which you can really tell.
Yeah.
It's being looked after.
Excellent.
Secondly, we've got they're called a TU pump. This is a high pressure fuel pump. This is actually off a Supra. So we're going to fit that. And basically that's going to allow us to run Stage 2 Plus map. We're going BM3 because I'm already running BM3. I got the license for it. So
you bought the license, and then for each map, is it £100?
I think it's about £100. I haven't probably looked into it
Right.
yet, so I think it's about £100. We're going to flash the Stage 2 Plus onto the car, and then I think we're going to have to run the XHP Stage 3 gearbox map, because if we don't, it's really going to limit the torque numbers and everything we get.
So it's like the gearbox map. Can you do that as well?
Yeah, it's
with
a
the software
flash
you've
map
got.
again.
Is it?
And basically, we're going to go for the Stage 3 because it really allows it to open up that torque and really get the torque figures.
Okay, cool.
So, first off, here's what we're going to do. There's a V-band here. The bracket mounts underneath. We're going to unclamp this V-band. That's onto the back of the turbo, the exhaust side.
Yeah.
Down to the bottom here, I don't know if you can see, but there's a clamp. It's got 2 bolts on there. We're going to undo the 2 bolts, and then at the bottom of the downpipe where it connects to the exhaust, there's another bolt there holding it on. We're going to get the O2 sensors out, both of them, strip them out on the car, hopefully.
Yeah.
We're going to pull the exhaust, I don't know where, from the bottom, I guess. Slide it up, fit the new one in. Bosh.
It's a 10-minute job, it sounds of it.
Sounds like 10 minutes to me.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, fuck me.
How's it going, Alan?
Fucking hell.
So, is this some big, massive bolt, is it?
It's a fucking clip.
Oh. This is why car mechanics is so frustrating. Something is so simple and it's got us, all three of us, baffled. We've been pissing around. We're doing this for, what, 15 minutes? One connector that should be 10 seconds?
Right.
Hey! Hey!
Hey,
we've done it!
What if you put a little flathead in
I say
Yeah.
we've done it. Haven't...
No, we just put a little flathead in there. It comes out. Fuck me.
And you've done the second one as well.
Yeah.
Where'd you put the flathead in?
I just
We're not
literally
gonna show
slipped
anybody.
it just down the side.
Right there.
And it's just freed it up a bit. Fuck me.
Ooh. What we have
Right.
done though, we've put the tape on, haven't we, of each one,
Yeah.
to make sure
We don't cross
you
them
don't
over.
cross connect them. Right, next job. So whilst Aaron is jacking up and getting the 140 prepared, come on, gents. I know it's the Fast and Fun channel, but I absolutely love Henry, my 1967 Ford Dexter 2000. Do I feature this bad boy on the channel? 3-cylinder, 2.6 litre, 35 brake horsepower, rear-wheel drive. Bring it on. People have also been asking me about the 182. I will promise this winter, it's the winter project, is to get the 182 back on the road. This is turning into a proper barn find. Now, it's been unused for a year. It's not been moved. It's not had trickle charge or nothing. It's been neglected. But I want to get new battery, get it all washed clean, new battery, sort out the brakes. There's a couple of faults on it. And we're going to get this back on the road this winter. I promise you that. It's a car that, for me, is the last of the lightweight hot hatches. Although it's a mid-2000s car, it drives like a 90s hot hatch. I've got a sentimental value to this. It owes me so little because I paid so little for it. And it's absolutely a brilliant, brilliant drive. But just look at the state. It needs a proper wash. And I promise this will be coming on the channel this winter. Right, back to Aaron, who's already started on the M140.
Right, so first things first, we just drop this clamp down the bottom. That'll allow us to pull that section away.
There's quite a lot of banging going on, boys.
I fucking know.
How's it going?
How close it is.
Just be careful.
Do you want a flathead in there? Fucking pry it. Rich, you got a big flathead.
Yeah, but
I can't because I'm videoing.
you can get it in there fully and you can like prize it, do you know what I mean?
It'd be much easier if we had a ramp.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking invest in one then, please, Dad.
He keeps talking about it.
Yeah, he does. Talk about it.
Oh.
Yeah, no.
I've seen no action.
He's all talk.
So this is an ongoing debate that a ramp is two posts is certainly something that I've thought about, and I probably want to get one, but I want to get one at a reasonable price. Love the sports cars, but you can't beat this. 8-speed. This is the only 8-speed vehicle I've got. 6 forward, 2 reverse speed gears, and importantly, a power takeoff to drive my implements. Oh. I do love the blue oval Ford. So what you're doing, taking the midsection off, Evan, or loosening it to get access to the
I don't really know what I'm doing.
old cat. It's just so shit doing this
just trying
on the floor. Is it?
Yeah,
Isn't
well,
it? It is.
We need a ramp. Right.
Yeah, go on then.
That's
Go in
it.
now.
Yeah! Got it!
Come on.
Look at that bad boy.
Oh, yes.
Hey.
Oh. There we go.
God, it is, isn't it? That's a big old baby, isn't it? That is. Yeah. Wow. Bloody hell.
Is she blown out? No. It's like brand new, man.
It looks like exactly the same that you're fitting. So this looks far, far more restrictive. Right. Let's get the bits and pieces swapped over. And get the bad boy back in.
Yep.
Is the OEM standard ones, are they worth much?
About 250, I think.
Okay. All right. So you'll get enough back.
Yep.
And are you going to sell it?
Scrap.
Scrap. Yeah. They've always had value, haven't they?
You can snap it in or not?
So
nope.
you just
Always
top off.
keep your OEM parts if you can, because if you ever come to sell the car, you can swap it back on. If you ever have any problems, you know, regulations change and suddenly sports cats are not legal,
Yeah.
you can switch it back over. Oh.
So you're going to switch over your sensors.
So we've got V-Van to go on first wheel. Like that. And then obviously this mounts up to the hot side of your turbo.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cool.
Probably do some paste, but we ain't got no paste.
No. I was just switching over the O2 sensors now. 2 of them.
Remembering that we marked up
Yeah.
with the yellow tape.
So we can't cross-connect when it goes back in. And just nip them up.
Yeah, I'm not going to go tight because the OEM wasn't tight. So.
Yeah. So the Sports Cat is under, it's close to being fitted, they just can't get it aligned properly. So it's not going very well at the moment. And Alan's starting to lose his temper. But this always happens every time we do work on the cars.
Do you want to put it down?
Do you want me to come and help, boys?
Yes, Dad. I'm doing fuck all the old time, so.
Right. Very difficult to video this.
Shake it out of the fucking door. Alright, that's it. Right, this is...
But then, like, I'm trying to get out the mid pipe, is that alright?
Yeah, okay. Fuck the mid pipe.
This is the fun and games of working on your own car.
It's so fucking
And then trying to...
Right.
Trying to
Right.
get the right sort of coverage, film coverage, for a YouTube video is actually really, really difficult. Because you're in such a restrictive area, filming it's almost impossible. And again, laid on your back under the car, it's really, really tough. Now Aaron's stepped out, let's have a quick look.
By my head.
Oh, there you go, so that looks alright now, better. If you can see down there now.
Is that the only thing or not?
So, top-wise, Aaron, you're just connecting these cables back up that we put the tape on?
Yeah, we're just going to click these back into place.
Is it just them two connectors, that's it?
Yeah.
So we can take off the yellow tape now. This clamp's all been done up?
The V-clamp's done
Yeah.
up, the sensors done up.
Yeah. The upper one, what about the lower one? Is that in yet or not?
Yeah.
Is that in the car? Oh yeah, I can see it, yeah,
Surely.
okay.
Oh,
So it's just about connecting up the bottom.
yeah.
The problem we've found is where the Sports Cat comes down to meet the midsection of the exhaust, it won't slip inside. So what we're going to do, we think it's because the midsection, if it's got any debris on the inside, it'll just stop it sliding in fully. It's literally in a few mil. So we're just going to get a wire brush on the end of an impact, actually, a bit of a bodge with a bit of tape, and we're going to wire brush the inside, try to clean it up, a bit of grease, just to try to get that Sports Cat slipping inside the exhaust. That's the plan anyway. Aaron's busy doing it. Archie's busy doing what he normally does, vaping and on his phone.
13 on that.
So Aaron's just doing it up. We'll have to go down the exhaust, do all the exhaust up, and then we'll get onto the high pressure fuel pump.
Right then, just a little top up. So we're on to the high pressure fuel pump now. Time has gone on. But anyway, we've removed all the plastic trims. 2 bolts there. We're removing this front V-brace. 1 bolt down to the strut tower, another one over there on the strut tower. We're going to lift that off. That'll give us full access then. We'll drag this out. That'll give us full access to each side of the high pressure fuel pump. We've got all the trims off now. There's a bit of... Look how much stuff we've removed.
Wow.
So it's a fair bit.
Yeah.
But this is going to give you full access without messing about.
Yeah.
First things first, we're going to put a load of rags around here. We're going to crack this nut. We're going to remove number 3.
Coil pack.
Number 4, sorry. There's 6 in there. Number 4, coil pack.
Yeah.
And number 2, well, maybe number 1 actually. Just so that'll give us enough access.
It's number 1 in it you need.
Just to crack that up. It's going to squirt. We've had the car running recently. This is my TU pump. It's already been switched over. So now sometimes, I'm pretty sure when it comes off the Supra, this is actually facing the other way. Now, to get it turned the other way, this is already facing the right way, but you just put a flathead between there, and you knock it ever so slightly, and that's going to release it out, and then you turn it, and then you're going to have to punch it. Look, you can see someone's already done it. You're going to have to punch it back over. It's basically a lip, and that really seats it in then. But this has already been done, so we're all good on that front. We're going to undo these bolts using, so the 2 bolts that go in through there, using a half-turn method. And the reason that we're going to do that is because we don't want it coming out on the angle, because that could damage your cylinder head. If it comes out on the angle like that, it could mess up your internals.
I love that.
99, baby, 99.
So we're just cracking off
Fuel rail.
fuel rail.
And get in there now, just take these rags
And
out.
then I reckon there's going to be a point that you quarter turn it and suddenly, or maybe it's just as you come bring it off. Oh,
You just pop off.
oh look, it's gushing. Not.
Yeah, to everyone that said it was going to spray everywhere, you're lying.
Yeah, so there's no.
And we've had this running as well.
Oh, really? So who said that's going to go everywhere?
Some guy on.
This is it. Never believe what you see, hear, and read on the interweb. The interweb.
Right,
So-
forget the half turn. That's ridiculous. You'll be there all day. Just
Well, yeah, you're just doing just the 3 little clicks on each side, just so it's coming off
Evenly.
lovely or evenly. But I can't see this being an issue. They weren't that tight in either, were they, Aaron? So
no, just cracked.
that's one out.
Oh. Can you hold that up?
Sugar.
And there's number 2. And there's just one electrical connector to the
Yeah.
pump, I assume. Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. So that should just
my
slowly now ease out.
Please.
Going everywhere.
No, that's it. It should be.
I'll keep the blanket
should be
there.
fine. There you go.
Absolutely beauty.
That
It's lovely.
is how easy it is to do
Oh, it smells so nice.
fuel pump.
Right,
Well, I've no gasket and nothing on it then.
No,
It's just metal to metal, is it?
metal to metal.
Looks exactly the same.
What I'm going to do is just
More around it.
get some oil over it, you know. Because no one likes going in dry.
Okay. So it's not sitting flush straight away, but we think that could be because of the spring. And this is maybe why you need to go in very level
Yeah.
here to make
I
sure you're
reckon it
going
could be,
in
you know.
straight.
Yeah, I was just springs and bent it in.
So we're just nipping that up. There was a little bit of resistance, but we've just gone in nice and steady with each bolt, not over torquing it down. And that's it now. Simply reconnect up the 4 fuel pipes, electrical connector, and then get all the scuttle panels back on.
Right, here we go, fast gang. We've got
Fuel
the high
lines.
pressure fuel pump connected, fuel lines in, the rails in.
Yeah.
We've got the clips back in. We've torqued this down to who knows what.
A value. So
We're gonna just
Start it up.
press start on the car.
Make sure the fuel's in there.
That's gonna prime your fuel pump. And then, well, let's just do it. Let's just do it.
Jesus Lord! Oh my God!
right, so just checking to make sure there's no fuel leaks anywhere at all the connections. And then we'll
Check
go.
around.
Just give it a few minutes.
I mean, the exhaust is right underneath, so you definitely do not want any fuel leaks whatsoever, because your car will be on fire.
The noise. It is deafening, isn't it?
What have we done?
Absolutely deafening.
What have we done here?
Wait till Hannah, Aaron's missus.
My missus drives this daily.
Woo! There we go. It's simpler now. Panels all back on.
I'm in test drive, and that's it.
And then Aaron needs to flash both an engine and gearbox map, BM3 map, onto the car.
Sad. That's loud, mine.
A video will come up in the coming weeks on the road in the Stage 2 M140. But for now, it's goodbye from Archie. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
It's goodbye from Aaron.
See you later.
And goodbye from me. Thanks for watching, guys.